tell me the truth, I won't even get mad. I won't get mad.
Are you sure you ain't gonna get mad?
I'm not gonna get mad. Just tell me if you slept with her, yes or no. I won't
Are
get
you
mad.
sure you ain't gonna get mad?
I won't get mad.
Alright, well I slept with her.
Yo, bad man. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, boy, you go in the kitchen. I left a fork for the kitchen counter. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, man, use your nyam, your man.
Yeah, don't get rest of your clothes them.
Stone must in this.
Yeah, you need that. Alright, check, put it down and check is your stone in eye. Put it down, check your stone in eye. Check it, Clark. Boy, check it. Clark. Boy, check it. Check it.
When Fatty get the front, oh you look. Amazing. Fatty dog get the front, oh you look. Fatty this me cause Fatty this me Fatty make I like grease up.
What is it now? Yes. What that mean? L-O-L? O-L. Oh. How you pronounce it?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
And the L silent?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
Oh.
You know where silent.
Eh?
But it can't silent.
It can't silent.
But you know where.
I go.
Oh.
Eh? L-O-L?
Oh.
Eh?
Never mind me, darling. That's how life goes. There you pieces is a flatness. Total flatness. I want to come to friends and what you know this about. I want to know. Yeah, we can run out of people, look there. What kind of bus is the driver? Some car passenger. And the first was something like this passenger always going to drive by himself. I want to quickly leave. What the song? See them?
You see, if I lie, me I tell TikTok. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. But you see, Jamaican females, especially the young one them, they like 3 type of man. Gunman, scammer man, and people man.
No, but come on, me in a taxi I come on my work. This girl in the taxi in this big old yellow suit like a sheer banana. And I can't say a pee ugly man I look her. So I say, love, if you're dressed like banana, you know must attract monkeys. This is the taxi mash up. I'm sorry I never take a picture of this ugly girl.
I'm there with the driver from Owen.
So yeah, brother, he's one tool that for much substance. Okay, when I call you, I get your number now.
Whatever, man.
Hello, I never ask for you, man. Let me get your number.
My nigga.
Whatever, man.
Man, you me I look, not your man.
What do you mean?
Last time me I look you, not your man. Give me your number, please.
A few moments later.
Brother, you go around too much corner now. You have a taxi? No, wait, it's like you can't understand English. Give me your number.
Excuse yourself, me no want you.
You know what? You don't have a man. You wanna know why? If you didn't have a man, your ear would have do, your nails would have do, your foot would have do, you would have done on BMW and Mark X and AC, but no, you didn't have that's no weapon and a taxi. Good day, Ahmed. If you didn't have a man, you would have installed better.
Yes, my people, they are alive at the blind man race. Yes, all who never see blind man race, no line up on yourself. Nuh Rahtid! Move on there! Stop him, kid! I'm good thing you stop him.
Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. Let me take this opportunity to welcome you back to school. Welcome. Go sit down.
Let me give you some example. Now you need maybe $10,000. This is 10,000 US dollars. 10,000 US dollars. And me, chief, I tell you, find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $600 for this $10,000, and you are crying. It means what? You need $10,000, and I say find $600 for the items, because we have perfume to use for the money.